Hi guys, we review stuff. So I'm going to make content based on the request of Mr. Kalamjit Singh. A hard to write topic, unusual topic. So this is what he gave me. So we'll try. So this is my process. Oh, first. So yeah, this is Closer's copy. Oh cool. This is actually Nimbus Clarity. I'm just testing it out also. Framework. I could try to write from here, but sometimes this freezes up, so no guarantees. I don't know if I can write about these topics, interior design, models, and engines. You could, if you really wanted to. But this is important. I'll just show enough. Yeah, here. This is full auto. I'll just hit so long form. I'll try it first. No, we don't want to create too creative. I don't know. That's it. The first thing I do is I try it full auto. Full automation means methods. Maybe it can pull data. Maybe it can't. This actually works better in phrase because it's also a research tool. But let's try. Probably not. So it's probably not. Or try it this way. Expand. They changed the name. Where is expand? One is expand and one is nope. Doesn't work that way. Let's try this. So that's all I do. Expand instruct. Not satisfied with that. And so this is what I do. Because we don't have any data yet. What I'll do is borrow data from ready-made articles. If there are no like master or source data, how would you write it? That's not possible. This looks good. Not enough words. This one looks good. Tucson. Tucson. Messy. That's messy. What are you talking about? I guess we'll use this data. I don't know the limit of how much text you can highlight and then write from it. That's right. Oh, there. May not be greater than 2,000 characters. So, damn it. Let's see what it comes up with. Eliminate the source. That's really all you do. All I do. Let's try GPT3. I forgot. Oh, expanding. So that's expand. Delimited. Okay. Control A. Instruct. Taking it there. When you see numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, you hit expand or expand or instruct. It will come up with number 6, 7, 8, etc. But sometimes there's not a lot of data there. And 5.9 seconds, or does it? I think it meant 5.9 seconds. Is it like that? So it got confused with the numbering. But as you notice the pattern there, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. And you also have to fact check this. I don't know how you'll title this or something. I don't really know which heading you would put it, what heading you'd want to put there, or maybe downsides, or maybe something like that, or cons. Would I highlight like this? Wait, something's bugging me. What happens if I hit expand again? It's kind of slow though. It happened again. It got confused with the numbers. Quarter mile in 2.3 seconds. I have no idea about these stats, but it's talking about the Range Rover. That's why you still always have to do your fact checking. I have no idea if this is true or not. But it's talking about the Tucson. Let's try to expand this. I don't know if it will help, but because it has no H2, H1, unlike in phrase. Which means H1 is more priority, H2 is smaller, so subheading. That's right. There's a lot of facts there. I would not prefer this. When writing a lot of factual stuff, I would write with a factual GPT-3 writer, which is phrase. Or the other one. It's talking about, this all makes sense, but, then eliminate the original. Damn it, where's the original? Another way you can deal with this, if you don't want to delete it, is just rephrase it or summarize it. I mean, it's up to you. Being a black hatter, I have no problem stealing content, rewriting, rephrasing, summarizing. So if this was a real project, I'd keep it because this is original content. We'll check later. So there, you just keep on editing it. What was that again? I was asking for something. I'm just engines, pricing, warranty, features. So example, warranty. I have to find another article. I think feature was the features covered. Okay, let's try this one. I'm not sure if the features were fully covered. So features of this. This is so hard to. You're not. I'm not gonna use GPT-3 writer for this. I can just copy paste this. This is too factual. When you do stuff like that, you don't want GPT-3. It's like you're not gonna ask write an AI writer to write a complex heart surgery operation, you know, or how to do your taxes or something really technical. I'll just copy paste that as is. Yeah, there's no reason why not. Why I would bother writing. But yeah, of course, you can always, for example, engine. You can always just keep on hitting expand. Oh shit, formatting issue again. Where's the thing? Wizard compete? What is compete? That's a new feature. Interesting. Frameworks. I'm looking for the bullet point expander. Sarcastic answers. Haven't tried that. Expand a paragraph to a child. Rephrase. Hook. Oh, cool. I'll use that later. I'm looking for the bullet point expander. Where did it go? Anyway, maybe this. And so, it will expand with more, because this is very technical stuff. So there, that's what I do. I highlight, hit expand, then delete the original. Or rephrase or summarize the original. Summarize. At least, did you say at least? And when you summarize it, that's unique content. That's you own it. There. It's like a conclusion. And if you're not satisfied, you can further expand it. Nah, didn't work. AI seems to be better. See, it's like this. I think it's like that. What? I have no. Well, maybe it's useful for you. I haven't tried some of these things. I wonder. This one. That's the bullet point expander I was talking about earlier. I wonder, what would it do with this info? Let's try. This can get really technical, and this software is constantly being updated. New features added all the time. So, but my process is always very simple. Expand, instruct. You can make it more customized by creating your own custom templates, frameworks. Nothing. There's nothing there. Maybe you could use it, but I found nothing useful. What else? This one, pricing, warranty. I'll just copy paste that. Features. Because those are, it's like rank, name, serial number. Interior design maybe. Models, engine. These are facts. Interior design. I'm just giving an idea how to write using AI. If you want something that will do your research for you, that's phrase. Because it's originally a research tool. Only later did it become a GPT-3 AI writer. Hyundai Tucson. Wait, what did you see? Is anything classified? Okay. Clear. 2022. And this looks usable. This one is talking about the price. I wouldn't. It's too messy. Too many numbers. No. I won't do the specs or stand design. Exterior. Okay. So I combined two separate articles as source. So here, this is a good source. Even if they don't have, these subheadings. I mean, logically, conceptually, you create your own. It also is a prompt to the AI. Like you're talking about a different topic, just like this. Because I don't want to confuse it. I'm going to remove the price. Yeah, sporty looking. Okay, I'll keep that part. Because I'm talking here, I will copy paste that in closer's copy. Just talking about looks. I don't want to include engine, power, and all this data because I just want to talk about the looks. I don't know if I want to include that. Fine. So you arrange things topically, more or less. It's talking about the looks. Okay, let's try it. That means ignore what came before that. Looks and style. This one is bothering me. This part. Because this does not talk about looks. It's a different concept. But 17-inch steel wheels, a rear view camera. It's talking about other things. This might have affected the output. So let's try it without that, if it helps. 30 minutes using Nimbus Clarity. So I'm also testing that tool. Then I'll upload this to cut. It will eliminate spaces to shorten it a bit. That's the issue with it's still talking about features. So if that's the issue, you know what I'll do? Rephrase, which is when you rephrase, you just change the wording. But actually, this is very good. I thought it was just gonna plagiarize. You know, like spinners, they just changed the synonyms. But no, it actually summarized it. It's not bad. So this is unique content and is not plagiarized. What if I were to just work on this one? I'll just copy paste that part. So basically, you find what is good. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. So you find what is good, then you expand on it. That's the mindset I have. So you borrow content from other sites. If it still can't write from the material, the last resort I have is to just rephrase it or summarize. If it still doesn't produce good results, I use another tool, Quillbot, which is just a more modern day spinner. Spinners just change synonyms, so that's really just plagiarism. But then all these things are plagiarized anyway, and that's, that's not beyond me. I'm a black hat. I don't care about that stuff. This is the legal way to do it. Why would you have to write everything from scratch? And the information is there. For example, the facts. So anyway, looks and styling. We just need to polish it. I'll give the link to this, and it's almost never like good as is. The final outcome, you still need to polish it, edit out some details. In a lot of cases, you need to fact check. I have no idea what it's talking about like this. I have no idea. Is this true? Fact check. 9.3 seconds, 17 seconds. I have no idea. That's why you need to fact check. There. Hope you learned something. Bye.